Okay, we're back. I went through and just kind of decided where I was going to put some things. And we'll start with this. This is a little tag pocket that I got. This is from the Graphics Fairy, and I will put a link to that underneath here. And this is a free graphic from the Graphic Fairy, and they have all kinds of great free graphics. So we're just going to put that there. And I decided to leave this page alone. And then I had this little flower here, and it's kind of a clear vellum. So I thought, maybe we put this here. And then this, I kind of like between the two. So we'll go ahead and put some glitter glue on that one. And I'm going to do it kind of at an angle, like that. And then I liked this teal because it kind of matched the teal on this. So what I'm going to do here is take this little heart, and I'm going to put it on the blank page to tie these together. And then I had this pretty washi tape that she sent me. So let me cut this little tag off the end right here. And I think I'm going to be using this one. Right down the edge of this page. Now, I don't know about you, but I've discovered one thing about washi, and that is it sticks to anything and everything except what you want it to. So, I'm going to put a little bit of glue there. And I'm going to lay down this strip of washi right along the edge here. And then I'm going to cut that off right at the edge. Just make sure that I've got it trimmed on both sides, because it will stick to what I don't want it to, namely the next page. Alright, so we got that all cleared up. And then I decided that I wanted to put in a pocket here, so I just used a punch, a border punch, and a piece of scrap that was left over from the trim. And I'm just going to put this right here. Now this is art glitter glue, so it dries pretty quick. And then I just put a couple of stickers on some tags. I'm going to put those tags in there. And then this little butterfly, I'm going to place right there. And then we've got some lines here, and this little butterfly I thought would make this page look a little bit more attractive. So we're going to pop that on there. Just like that. Now with this centerpiece, I just glued it on both sides and made a pocket out of it. And then I just put in a couple of these little stickers so that she can put them where she wants them. And I put a little thumb notch in there for her. And I've got this little flower here, this little heart here, which I decided was going to live right down here. And then this piece is actually one of the pieces of paper, and I wanted to make this a little interactive. So I have these tab punches that I picked up on one of my scavengers at a thrift store, and I kind of like this one. So what I'm going to do is pop one of these out. And then I'm just going to glue this to the back, right about there. Get that even. There we go. And that way she can open that up and put in a note. Family is very important to her, so I wanted to include that in there. Okay. And then we have this flower here that I thought we could put on this page. in order to dress this up a little bit right here in the corner. And then that little banner that I looked at originally, I said, you know, that would be cute on one of these pages. So I just kind of cut it, not really fussy cut it, but I just cut it out of the tab that it was in because the tab was way too big. And I just, right there, like it's floating. Okay. Then we come to this back cover. And I have this beautiful little piece here that's a cutout from another pad that I use. And I'm going to go ahead, it's very glossy and pretty, so I'm going to go ahead and put that on the back cover and just put in a couple of tags for her. Now I use glue when I put these down because tape doesn't ever dry. So if you put tape on there, what'll happen is over time either the tags will get stuck in the tape or this is going to come off. So in order to avoid that, we use glue. So I've got a couple of tags here. We'll go ahead and just push those in just like that. And that's it. Our little junk journal is done. And then I'm just going to put a little lace band on it here just to close it up. And I'm going to get this in the mail and send it back to her as a thank you. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe, like, hit the bell. You'll get all of my notifications for all of my different videos. And if you don't, that's okay. It's your choice. Either way, thank you for being here today. And you have a great rest of the day. Bye-bye now.